We were just wondering if you could briefly explain what the mission of the USNS Bobo is.
Well, we deliver pre-positioned cargo for both the Marine Corps and the Navy construction battalions to various locations depending on where the need is. It could be a crisis action of some kind. It could be mutual support with another nation. It could be humanitarian assistance or even disaster relief. So our mission's kind of broad in nature depending on what the need is. We normally sail in the Mediterranean and in the European theater. We do operations in Africa every once in a while. Our last operation to offload the ship was in Morocco. It's not our first time in Estonia. We've been to Tallinn before on a couple of different occasions, and now this is our first time in Paldiski. We're going to do an offload with the Estonians to demonstrate that setup and capability and illustrate what it takes to assemble the ship, the parts that come off the ship, the equipment that comes off the ship, when we take them to the operating area. So we'll get a chance to demonstrate all of those things to them. We have everything from tanks to trucks, of Humvees. I have all kinds of construction equipment from dozers to plows to rollers. And then we also have equipment that the Navy would use if we did our offload in stream or in the water instead of next to a pier like we are right now. So we have lighterage that sets up basically like a road, and we drive the equipment onto that road, and then we take that road to the beach and we drive it off. And so that's another way that we can disembark the equipment from the ship.